Then welcome to our YouTube channel. Today you have a question which say, given that we have 2x minus 16 and y plus 1 is a null vector, then find the value of x and y. Then let us go through to see how to proceed by finding a null vector. Then we are going to find the x and the y, but we have a null vector. Then let us go through to see how we can solve this problem. Then here solution. Then a null vector is a vector with magnitude of 0 and undefined direction, to mean that they are equal to 0. Then here we become 2x minus 16, then y plus 1, then to mean they are undefined and the magnitude is 0, then we equalize it with 0, then also we solve for x and y. Then here we become 2x minus 16, which is equal to 0, and y plus 1, which is equal to 0. Then we are going to solve for x and y. Then for solving here, once we solve, we become 2x minus 16, which is equal to 0. Then here we are going to solve for x. We become 2x is equal to 16. Then here x will be equal to 16 over 2. Then here x will be equal to 8. Then this is the value of x. Then we are going to solve for y. We become here y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then here once we solve for y will be equal to negative 1. Then the value of x is 8 and the value of y is equal to negative 1. Then thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.